Which of the following is the exact reason that made Brandon bemused? Flaccid means anything soft and hanging loosely or limply, especially so as to look or feel unpleasant. The condition of the relationship between Nathan and Brandon is absent in the passage, and the message regarding the question is ambiguous. To accept this as correct answer, so choice B is incorrect and choice B is to be eliminated. Outgoing means anything lively, and as we can get that they had been having discussion mutually over and over again, but all in vain, so choice C is also incorrect. They were at an impasse due to financial issues. As impasse means a situation in which no progress is possible, especially because of disagreement or a deadlock. So they had a failure instead of having a success in the financial issues. So choice D is also incorrect and choice A is the correct answer. Choice A is correct as the deadlock or impasse in the way of development or financial issues happened, and Brandon bemused, then thought that he wondered what is Nathan's thought, as Nathan was so silent. Nathan was compos mentis. In every psychological sense, compos mentis means having full of control or on one's mind. That is sane. Means Nathan was sane, and so choice E is also incorrect, and choice E is also eliminated along with choice B, C, and choice D. So the correct answer is choice A.